How to save location in Google Maps. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to save a location in Google Maps for quick access later. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, open Google Maps on your phone. Here appears the main page of the Google Maps. From here, tap on Search bar and search for the location you want to save. Tap on the location name or address at the bottom to open its details. Now tap the Save button. This Save button will automatically save your selected location. Then choose a list like Favorites, Want to Go, or Starred Places. You can also create a new list if needed. Tap on Done at the top right corner. Once saved, you can access it anytime by tapping on your profile icon, selecting Saved, and choosing the list where you stored the location. To remove a saved location, open it, tap Saved, and deselect the list. That's all for the video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Google Maps tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.